Hello, my name is Patrick, and today we're going to be speaking about the RapidPress pressing tool, the ACO203BT. This is a Bluetooth model which allows you to connect your smartphone to the device. You can download any pressing data, pressing history, or any servicing requirements. This tool will press from 15mm up to 54mm. It standardly runs a M-series slimline Milwaukee battery. The kit standardly is supplied with a 2Ah battery. Unique features of this tool are LED lights that are placed in the end of the handpiece to help light up dark installation areas, a slim, lightweight handpiece which makes it easy for difficult and complex installations, and a unique case which holds all the heads from 15mm up to 54mm. The total weight of this case is just 23 kg, meaning that the full kit is in one box. 15, 22, 28 and 35mm jaws are the single piece jaw which connects to the tool. For 42mm and 54mm, these use pressing chains. They have a unique spring-loaded mechanism which makes it easy for tight installations. They go hand in hand with the adapter jaw that connects to the tool, and then the chain clips into the adapter jaw. The metal company stocks a full range of RapidPress press fit tools and heads for hire and for purchase. Our RapidPress press fit system can make pipework installation quick and easy, while making work in confined spaces easier and reducing the need for hot work permits. Talk to the crew at the metal company today about how our RapidPress system could help you decrease install time and increase customer satisfaction.